My name is Abbas Sechanzi Molovia. I am the Secretary General, Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. I am here to address the country, the Muslim Ummah, and everyone on matters concerning Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. Over the weekend, the media has been awash with news of a purported General Assembly taking place at Gangu Muslim Primary School. The said meeting is alleged to have suspended senior officials of the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. We would like to state categorically that Uganda Muslim Supreme Council disassociates itself from this meeting. This meeting was a result of a court order, which court order we have challenged because of the ultra-vires processes that were involved in its issuance. First of all, the persons who petitioned this court were admitted by virtue of Article 1, Section 2 of the Constitution of Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. It is strange that the order was issued without considering Article 17 of the same Constitution of the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council, which stipulates processes of convening an ordinary and an extraordinary General Assembly. We find that very strange, and many other issues concerning that meeting that we believe are inconsistent with the law of the land and the Constitution of the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. We would therefore like to inform everyone that the resolutions of the said meeting are not valid, and we are not considering them as anything of concern at the Council. The Council is open, officers are working, everyone is happy. His Eminence, the Mufti of Uganda, Dr. Sheikh Shaban Ramathan Mubajje is in office. He's working, and there are no preparations whatsoever to have anyone else in this office. We ask members of the Muslim Ummah and the country at large to remain calm. This and many other issues that we have faced in the past will be resolved legally and amicably. We ask for calmness, and we ask you to believe and also know that Uganda Muslim Supreme Council is firm and follows the law. It is strange that something like that can even happen, because the rules governing this country and the rules by which we govern this council are very clear on how a suspension or even an impeachment for that matter can happen. This can only be done by a written petition submitted to the joint session of the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. And this has not been done yet. So everything is okay. His Eminence is working and will continue working, inshallah.